So you finished your VOKI now, your 3 VOKIs, and now you're ready to turn them in. So what you're going to do is you're going to want to go to Google Classroom. Some of you already may have accounts for other classes, and some of you may not. So I'm going to click on Google Classroom, and in this particular one there are no classes. So we're going to go ahead to this plus sign over here, and we're going to go ahead and click it, and that is going to add a class. Now it's asking for a class code to join. So what you're going to do is you want to go back to my website, and if you scroll down under the VOKI project, you're going to see where it says Google Class Codes. Go ahead and click on that. And what opens up are all the codes for all the different classes. Now you want to make sure that you entered the right code for the right class that you're in. So go ahead and this is going to be 4th period, we're going to say. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I can go ahead and copy that, right click copy, or just Control C. And I did Control C. So we'll go back and now Control V like Victor, or right click paste. We'll put that in, and I'm going to go ahead and go to join. So what this has done now is I have now joined the 4th period class, and notice that automatically once I joined, you're going to see where it says VOKI assignment. So this is an assignment that I have already made, and this is where you're going to turn in your VOKI. So let's go ahead and go back real quick to the VOKI page. So you want to make sure that you click on My VOKI right here, and make sure, of course, that you're signed in. I got my fake name, Billy Briggs, and I'm going to go to My VOKI. And you should see the VOKIs that you have done. Now I only have 2 here. I'm just showing this as an example. You'll be turning in 3. So what you're going to do is we're going to keep this open just like this, and we're going to go back to the Google Classroom. Go ahead and click into this VOKI assignment and click got it. And then we are going to pull this down, create, and we're going to go ahead and click on Docs. What this is going to do is, this is basically, let's see if it works. Give it a second. There we go. And apparently, okay. So now it's created basically a Google Doc over here that I'm going to go ahead and click on, and then the doc will open, and you can see that it's already titled VOKI assignment, and it's a blank page. So what you're going to do now is you're going to need to go back to your VOKI, your characters, and you see where this little symbol is. I'm going to go ahead and click on this symbol. Actually, let's start with character 1. I'm going to click on this symbol, and what this is going to do is it's going to bring my character up, but it's also going to bring up this little link, okay, this little chain. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and that's going to pull up a URL. Now this URL is important. You can either go here to copy URL or Control C, right click copy, whichever way you want to do it. I'll just go copy the URL, and now it's copied. So I'm going to go back to my doc, and I'm going to right click, and I'm going to paste this in there, and then I'm going to hit enter. This is important because once I hit enter, it will create a link. Okay, I'm just going to pull this down a little bit, and I'm going to put character number 1. Okay, so that's my character number 1, and then I'm going to go ahead and get ready to put character number 2. Yep, there we go. and I'm going to go back to my VOKI, and I'm going to click on my VOKI again. It will bring up both of my VOKIs. I have already got the link for character number 1, but now I need the link for character number 2. So I'm going to go right over here, pull that up, and I'm going to click again on this little symbol, and then I'm going to copy the URL, and then I'm going to go back to my VOKI assignment on my Google Doc. I'm going to go ahead and paste that there, and then hit enter again, and it will turn into a link. Okay, so there you have it. Now you're going to do one more. I've only done 2 characters, and basically I can click on these links, and it's going to basically take me over to your VOKI, and then I am able to
Me gusta correr.
and I am able to listen and grade your VOKI. So let's go back. I'm going to go ahead and close this document, being that I have finished it. Again, you're going to have 3 links, and I only have 2. But once you're ready, you're going to go ahead and click the turn in. And it's going to ask, are you sure you want to turn it in? And then you hit turn in. And it should give me a confirmation here. Well, it just says done. And then, of course, if you mess up, there's an unsubmit button, and you can go back and fix it. But that is how you turn in your VOKI.